Welcome back, everyone. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our clear hood insert, the Polaris Slingshot. So if you've upgraded your Slingshot's valve cover, coil pack cover, or if you're running some engine accent lining under your hood and you want to show off your engine's bling, you're going to want to pick up one of our clear hood inserts. This polycarbonate hood insert is cut perfectly to fit in place of your factory hood insert and is available in both carbon fiber as well as most OE Slingshot paint colors. Once installed, you'll not only have a custom look during the day, but you'll also get to showcase any under the hood lighting you may be running for a truly unique look at night. Now, the kit includes all necessary hardware for a simple bolt-on installation. So start by first sliding one of the included Allen screws in through the top front hole. Then take the larger of the two hex spacers and thread it onto the bottom nice and tight. Then take another Allen screw and insert it through the top back hole and thread on the smaller hex spacer so that it's nice and tight. Now you can open the hood and unscrew these two T25 Torx screws. Remove the stock hood insert and replace it with the new hood insert. Next, all you have to do is thread on the two remaining Allen screws finger tight to start. Then go back through and snug them up with a 1/8 inch Allen, making sure not to over tighten. Now, if adding a little bling to your sling is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click that link in the description below to grab a custom hood insert for your Slingshot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.